Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with the lock by BLP60 from 8/14/17 called Stage Right. It's a rust one, a nice little rust one. It's a great little keyway there too, man. I'm not, it's a crazy little keyway. Almost looks like it's completely open there, and it works just like the champ. So here's a bedding on it. Let's go ahead and see what we can do here. Huh. Well, it's been a while since I picked the BLP60 lock. I don't know what's going on with that dude. I haven't, you know, there's so many people I try to watch, and yeah. Anyway, I just haven't been able to check out any of his vids lately. I hope he's doing well. Hope y'all are doing well with, you know, this sickness that's out affecting us all. Well, that was a nice little movement there. Oh, there we go. Nice little movement there. Oop, and there we go. Nice, man. Sweet. Looks like we got that sucker. Alright, let's go ahead and back this up a little bit and see what we can do to well, let's go ahead and grab the sucker. Got my new screwdriver set here. Oops. As you can see too, it is open, and we do have a key for it, so I'm going to lock it back up. Stage right, huh? Well, let's see if we can't. What is the deal here? Why is that not wanting to work? There we go. Oops. All right, there we go. Yeah, let's see. Chamber 1 here. Like a great little spool here. Nice serrations with some spools there, spool action. Serrations. A spool with some serrations and a bunch of spool. Man, I don't even know what to call that guy. Let's see what we have in the core here. Looks like we have threading across the board on there. Yep, all 5 chambers are threaded. Sweet. And then let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? All right. All right, there's that one. That spring there. That's interesting. There's number 5. The copper spring, and looks like a spool. A spool there. Cool. And let's see, do we have anything up in the Bible as far as any modifications? It looks like, oops. Looks like no modifications done to the Bible. Sweet. So let's go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit and show you what we have. So we have a spool, a couple of serrations and serrations, a spool with a serration, and spool, serration, spool. Great. And this one is a spool with serrations in it. This is a T-pin with serrations, another T-pin with serrations, a spool, another T-pin with serrations. Very cool, man. Again, this comes to us from Bronx Lockpicker 60. It's called Stage Right. This is K1 Locks, and be safe, be legal, and be the lock.